Hey, what's up fam, and welcome to yet another episode. This is your boy Cladsman. Welcome to the Cladsman Talk Show. 5 ways in which you can actually make money online, and this one is quite critical. Now before we go there, I'd like to give a shout out to the guys who have been watching my videos and taking their sweet time to put some comments there. Alright, now I would like to give a shout out to Tina Mutinda, wherever you are. You're one of the contributors, putting comments on my videos. There is Donchi or Don Gani, thanks a lot for your comments. There's Lavi Bella, shout out to you, thank you for your comments. Jaziri, all the way from Dubai, thanks for your comments. Ksak TV, thank you for your comments on the channel. Fortnite, thank you for following up and commenting on the videos as well. That's great from you. Petero Mbiu, thanks a lot for your comments. OJ, thanks a lot for your comments as well. And Deacon254, shout out to you as well, thanks for your support. Official B9, that's my boy, thanks for commenting on the videos and following up as well. Curtis Bogo KB, all the way from Dubai, thanks for your comments and following up as well. Okay, Jojiola Iguana, thanks a lot for following up, thanks for your comment. 5 ways in which you can actually make money online, and you don't need so much experience. Actually, you might not need an experience at all. Most of this stuff is actually online, but what I'm sharing is what I'm actually using myself to survive in these times where most people are actually working from home, and there's not so much movement out there, and businesses are actually struggling and all that. So maybe you can borrow a leaf or two and start working with me. Alright, now the first point that I start, obviously you want to watch this video to the end because I'll share everything that I've been doing, and I'll start from the least to the best. Okay, so you still want to wait for the best, which I'll actually keep it to the end of the video. And this is not to trap you in, it's just that all of these methods are working, but it's just that I've made most of my money in the last one that I'm actually going to share with you. Alright, so buy and sell bitcoins online. Alright, somebody came and asked me like, hey, look here, there's a lot of skeptical things going on out there. People are not trusting this Bitcoin stuff and all that, but all I wanted to do, there's something I wanted to buy online, okay, using Bitcoins, and I was looking for a place where I can actually buy my Bitcoins using my mobile phone, using my mobile banking and mobile platform. So I bumped into an online link, which is the Paxful link. Actually, you'll need to just register, put in your details, and you'll have an opportunity to buy bitcoins from that platform. You buy from other people who are selling you bitcoins. For example, you can buy from someone selling the bitcoins using M-Pesa. They're going to send you money to your phone, and you receive the coins in your wallet. Paxful also have their own chat platform on Telegram, so it's quite legit. It's something that it's a community that shares a lot of information, and also the guys who are selling the coins have actually been vetted, and there is also a reputation on against each individual who's selling their coins or is buying the coins, and so on. So that is a platform. I've shared a link below this video to help you get started. Just click on the link, register, and start buying and selling your bitcoins online. Alright, Now, the second item that you can actually try out: start your own website, or you can start hosting other people's websites without experience at all. You don't need servers, you don't need technical know-how of how to actually host websites. All you need is just a platform to play around with, and you can register on one of those platforms. I actually shared a link below this video as well for web hosting, and that will allow you to host other people's websites and also start your own website. Now, the idea is this: these companies they're already in the business, so all you need to do is just become a reseller of their hosting platforms. Okay, so you have a friend who wants a website, they approach you, or probably you don't know how to do it, but if you join these guys, they will give you the platform. You become a reseller, and you're able to start selling websites. So you can make your money out of that by just becoming a reseller on these platforms. I've shared a link for the web host below this video to get you started. Now, number 3, what you can actually do to make money online is to start vlogging on your music channels. Alright, it's not just about making music, but you can do like what you're watching right now. What I'm doing right now is that I'm actually vlogging on my channel. I'm giving people information, I'm giving my visitors information on how to do certain things. So I'm sure that through your music career, definitely you've been able to maybe get one or two things. You've learned one or two tricks in your venture, and this is information that you can actually share out there and enrich your visitors, give them information on how to do certain things, because a lot of people go into these sites, they go into these music channels not just for entertainment, but they also want to learn one or two things and all that. So you can add vlogging on your channels. And how to manage this, if you cannot really picture how you can put your vlogging and also your music on the same channel, you can actually use playlists to do that. Just manage your playlist differently. So you have your vlogging playlist, you have your music playlist, and other activity playlist and all that on one particular channel. Especially if your channel is not getting traction, it's not getting a lot of visitors, you don't have a huge number of subscribers, and you're trying to reach out to a bigger number of audience. So instead of actually having a channel for each particular activity, where you probably have a channel for vlogging, you have a channel for your own things, you have a channel for music, you can have one particular channel and just manage all this on your playlist, and then let your visitors, let your fans know that this is actually what you're doing. And if they want to find your music, let them know that there's a music playlist that they can visit. If they want to find your vlogging list, then let them know that there's a vlogging list that you're following, so that if you focus all this on one particular channel, it's easier and faster for you to grow your channel, and it's easier for you to make money out of that particular channel, other than having 2-3 channels that go, which also be demanding on your content from time to time. Now, the fourth one item on how to make money online is making mobile applications for your music. Okay, now this sounds a little bit more technical, especially if you don't know how to make a mobile application and where to start. You might need a bit of expertise on that. Now, if you're out there, you're stranded, you need probably a mobile application, you can comment below or follow me on Instagram. I can get one-on-one with you and help you out and give you a platform to do your mobile application for music. This is specifically for your music album. All right, gone are the days where artists used to sell CDs. Okay, they might still be selling CDs and all that, or selling their content online. You know, there's Spotify, there's iTunes, there's YouTube, there are other channels where you can actually distribute your content. But I believe that when it comes to a mobile application, it's easier for you to put music as an album in your mobile application and actually distribute that to your fans. Now, when you have a mobile app, there are various ways of monetizing that content. You can use AdMobs, which is available. Google is offering that for you, where there'll be advertisements on the mobile app and you can earn from that. Or you can actually go straight up and sell the application. Alright, so you can sell the app. When people download the app from the Play Store, you get paid. Now, the fifth and the final item on how you can actually make money online is by promoting other people's content online, and especially on YouTube. Alright, now YouTube gives us a platform to advertise our content. Alright, and you'll find that most of it, I don't have much time to go into this techie stuff to actually monetize and actually promote their content, because they're focusing on just creating music. Now, let's say you're in a position whereby you can work with Google Ads, you can work with promoting video contents. You know, the video that plays before the video plays on the YouTube channel. So putting content, you know, ahead of in front of many other people just before they watch the videos that they've actually come to watch on YouTube. That can give you money, because you can work for this artist, you can work for this content providers, and that's really something that I've actually been using for a while now, and it works because I can focus on the technology while the artists focus on creating more and more content. Now, I'll give you a scenario. Let's say an artist releases a new music video today and they want it to be viewed either across the country, throughout the country, or throughout the world. Now, we can do that by advertising on YouTube. Alright, so it's a simple step. It's something that you can actually learn by yourself. There's information there, and especially if you have your own YouTube channel, it's an easier way to go. You can, instead of just advertising your own content, think about it this way: you can also advertise other people's content. That's just a tip I've given you, and you can charge them your service charge for helping them out. Alright, now you don't need much experience on that. All you need is a link to their YouTube channel and put that in the advertisement. There's a form that you might need to fill up, and just ensure that the content follows YouTube policies. For example, there are no kids or children appearing in the videos, and also the content does not violate some of the YouTube rights that are there, some of the YouTube policies that are there. Alright, so once you have that, then you should be able to make a little bit out of what people want to have out there, because right now everyone is rushing online. They want the subscribers, they want the followers, they want the views, okay, they want the likes and all that. So you can use YouTube advertisement for that. I've also shared 2 more links below this video where you can actually go and do your content promos. Alright, now the beauty about this is that you can promote almost virtually any particular content on social media. You can promote your Instagram accounts, you can promote YouTube videos, you can promote Facebook pages, posts, you know, you can promote anything. It's a Pinterest, it's anything on social media. Basically, all those platforms you can get started by all this. And the thing is that all this do not require any particular investment at all. Okay, all you need is just your time. Get in there and get started. Okay, let me know if this content has helped you. Please like the video, and thank you for visiting. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video, and if this content helps you out also, please put in your comment below. Let me know what you feel about this content. Do you want more of this stuff? Should I share more of this content? If something is not clear and you want me to elaborate further, maybe in my next video, please do say so. Okay, you do have a good time, and hope to see you again in the near future. Be blessed.
Introducing the hottest cryptocurrencies on the market, Bitcoin and Ethereum. You have the option to mine with one or both at the same time. But how? By simply logging on the best cloud mining platform, Dual Mine. Because it's always best to have dual options, right? Two is better than one. This incredible dual mining system is suitable for those who are new to the world of cryptocurrencies. You'll be offered the most profitable cryptocurrencies in the world with this unique product offering. When you sign up, you'll get 100 gigahertz per second hash power for free. So what are you waiting for? Start mining and increase your crypto capital. Join now. Endless possibilities are waiting for you on dualmine.com.